Hello, everyone. I know in the last video I did say I wouldn't give you an extension video. Well, I realized I just finished this Edpuzzle video that I did up here. What I need to do is, I'm basically doing this extension for you. So I was like, well, since I'm doing it, well, why don't I just give you a video for the extension? So basically, what I'm doing here is creating the video for this guy I practice here, and I already made the video. Here it is. I did it on Screencast-O-Matic, and it's now on YouTube. And so what I need to do is grab this link, and I'm going to put it on Edpuzzle. Okay. So let me delete these other things, and then I'm going to go to Edpuzzle. And I'm in my class sample. My goal is to put the video I'm talking to you on right now here. And so the way I do that is that video that I made, I copied this link. So I'll do that again. And then I'm going to go and search content. And so what I'm going to do is paste that link there, and then I'm going to search for it. And this should be the video. So I'm going to play it, and there's my video. So I'm verifying that it's there. And there's a few things that I can do. I can cut it, I can voice over, I can do questions. There's a lot of editing features that I can do to this video. I know I made some mistakes in that last video. I could do a voiceover, I could do a cut, but really what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add comments there. And so I'll show you these three features as I'm creating that video. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because I don't want to bore you. I'll eventually add more questions here, as you'll see. But I'll show you multiple choice question. And so I play this video. One of the first things I say in these first 5 seconds is I tell you, the audience, that this is the second video. So I can just put a question right there immediately. So we're about 5 seconds in. I'm going to say, what video number is this? And I'm going to put, this is the first video. And then I'll also put second video. Well, the correct answer is second video. So what I need to do to show that this is the correct answer is to click here to make sure this is green. And this is the wrong answer, so I need to make sure this has an X next to it. Okay, X is wrong, check mark is correct. And then I can save it. And so then it shows an example of what it looks like, the question. Well, that's correct. Good, everything is working well. I'm gonna go continue. So then what I'll do is I'll go at critical points of this video and add questions. Let's say I move forward in the video, which I can do. I get to this point of the video where I described how to set up a class name. And so instead of a question, I could add an open-ended question, or I could add a note. And I like doing these notes at places where it's like, yeah, maybe I screwed up in a video, or I want to add a link or something. What I can do, what I do here is just like, just put a note. You can name your class anything. And then I could add like a hyperlink to this section if I want to like link them to some other website or something. But yeah, you can name your class anything. And so then I would save that. And so then there's a little note for the student at that section. So like I said, I'm going to be adding more questions here, but for the purpose of the sample video, I'm going to just say I'm done with that question and that comment, and then I'm going to come up here and finish it. And so that allows you a chance to check to make sure everything's good with your video. I like kind of what I did with this question and this comment. So what I'm going to do is assign it to my sample class, which I did in my last video. And so what I'm going to do is check that. Start date is today. Due date, I don't know, some random date in the future. I like these features, got the correct class, and then I'm going to click assign. So, and then this would be where I would see all my students' responses, but I don't have any students right now, so there's nothing there. But if I go back to my class, and I go back to my sample class, which is the one I've been showing off in my videos, I have that mitosis video that I showed off last time. And then this is the extension. This is kind of the thing that you're going to want to send to me. And basically, if I click on that Edpuzzle, and it's the assign, I want you to share this Edpuzzle with me. And so you would click here and say share assignment, and then you'll copy a link. Okay, and that's the link I want you to send to me. So each one of these extensions and quizzes, I wanted you to send me just a hyperlink. That's all I wanted. So down here in the extensions section, I said, hey, you can send it to me here. So if you click on that, this is where you can submit it. Again, your screen will look different, and you submit it, and then all I need is that link. All I need is this link. Okay. So right click and copy, or you can press this button and then copy. So that's that. This is what you need to do for your extension. Good luck. May the best team win. See you around.